Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we talk all things finance and money. On this channel, I post videos on how to make money online and ways to make your money go a long way. If this sounds like something that would be of interest to you, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, and also like this video because it really helps with the algorithm. In this video, I'll be sharing some of the effective ways of making money at home, online, and I'll be giving away one bonus website that can make you money on autopilot. I mean, who doesn't want to sleep and make money? All of us. So let's get right straight into the video. Now with this website, you will be earning money by clicking on websites. But what if I told you that you don't have to even click on one website? You don't have to be the one clicking on those websites. You can do this on autopilot and wait for the money to roll in. And we are in 2021. It's about time we all make money in our sleep. It's about time. That's what the internet is all about. That's what the internet is here for, and we all love it. So I want you to follow these easy steps to promote your link that people will be clicking on your behalf. So the first website that I want you guys to go through, and maybe some of you might be asking that, why would you get paid to click on websites? Well, that's because people would like traffic to get onto their website, right? And we all know that companies spend a huge chunk of their budgets on marketing, because the only way to promote your company, the only way for your company to get out there is through marketing. So it makes sense for companies to put away a huge chunk of their budget onto marketing. So this is how you get paid. You get paid from the marketing expenditure, essentially. So the first website I'm gonna show you, this is where you'll be getting your affiliate marketing link. Called Entire Web. So Entire Web is a website just like Google where you can create your own affiliate link and start promoting the website. So I want you to click on Google and just type Entire Web. There you go, as you guys can see there. Let's wait for it to go onto Entire Web, and then you go onto the website. So this website is promoting their search engine. So it's a search engine, as you guys can see here. It clearly just looks like a search engine. You can start searching here, and they have their social media handles there. But what you will do is just go on those three lines there and look under affiliate marketing. Where is it? Yeah, there. And you will say, okay, let me just take you through what the website is all about. So it says earn up to $1 for every click, get paid for every visitor you refer to our free search engine submission service. So there you go. And they said get paid for every click, high conversion rates, everyone can join, and it's easy to start. There you guys will read what the whole thing is all about. So also, what I like about this is that you get paid via PayPal. So I think everyone has it figured out. If you watch my videos, then you definitely know what's up when it comes to making money online. You just need a PayPal account. You just need to have your PayPal account in check. That's the first thing you do if you want to earn money online. And now you will go to create an account. But since I already have my own account here, then we will just go to log in, because I already have an account, and I just want to show you what the account looks like inside and where you will be able to get your own link. And there it goes, it logs in. And yeah, so this is where you get your affiliate link. It says that general, and it says in brackets affiliate link that. So this is where you will get your affiliate link, just above your profile. Don't make that mistake. So what I want you to do in order to be able to promote this website is another website, and the name of this website is called Herculist. So you go onto Google, type Herculist, and open it up. So this is the website that will be helping you distribute your affiliate link across 1,000 people across the world. So how you do this is that you sign up, of course, and from signing up now, okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so you sign up there. It's really easy, you guys. You just put in your details. It's just general details like personal details, and you create your account, then you are in. But let me just log in and show you guys how it's gonna look like. Now you put in the link that I showed you on the other page. So you go back to your other page like here, so, and then you click on that, and then you copy that, then you come paste it here. Then on the body you can type anything that you would typically type on a email, right? You guys know how to probably draw up emails, write up emails. So you will say, hi, sir or ma'am, this website is so good for searching on the web. Just say something good about the website. You don't want to write something that's too long. And yeah, just do that, and then you click on submit. Obviously I'm not gonna submit this one because there's no URL. You submit that, and this email automatically goes on to a whole list of people that the website, that the people at Hercules have on their emailing list. And once somebody clicks on your website, on your link, that's how you make money. So if they do come in from your link and get into the website at Entire Web, then that's how you make money. If they ever search anything, for example, on Entire Web, and say for example, they say how to make money online, and they click on that website, how to make money, right? And they click on any one of the videos, one of the websites, that's how they will get, that's how you will get to make money. So it's as simple as that, and that's all you need basically. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys really follow up on these steps, because people are really making money on the internet, and it's about time you also get to make money. And yeah, with this method, what I like also is that you will be doing this in your sleep. You don't need to be the one clicking on these websites and all of that. So yeah guys, let's get this money. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like the video. As I said, it really helps my videos on the algorithm. And yeah guys, if there's anything you guys would like to know further, please comment down below in the comment section. And yeah, see you on the next video. Bye.